Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Kesser Mustafa, President Pakistani American Republican Party from Brooklyn, New York. Donald Trump impressed many people with his remarkable political skills, which blended charisma, a distinct personal brand, and a unique ability to resonate with voters. His straightforward communication style, often showcased through social media platforms like Twitter, allowed him to bypass traditional media outlets and engage directly with his supporters. This approach made his messages feel more personal and relatable, as he often used simple language and direct messaging that resonated with a broad audience. Trump effectively tapped into populist sentiments, positioning himself as a champion for the common man against the political elite, which helped him gain significant support among disillusioned voters. His administration achieved notable successes, including tax cuts that aimed to stimulate economic growth, deregulation efforts that sought to reduce government intervention in business, and a focus on job creation that contributed to a booming economy before the pandemic hit. Additionally, President Donald Trump's foreign policy moves, such as engaging in unprecedented talks with North Korea and renegotiating trade agreements to prioritize American interests, showcased his willingness to break from conventional diplomatic practices. His ability to dominate media cycles, often through controversial statements and actions, kept him in the public eye and allowed him to maintain a strong connection with his base. Overall, Trump's blend of entertainment and politics, along with his focus on tangible results, left a lasting impression on many Americans and significantly altered the landscape of political campaigning in the United States. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.